to Advantages and Disadvantages of Technology. Good morning, I am Carla Cruz, your presenter for today. To start, we must know first what is technology. It has a Greek root meaning the practical application of knowledge, especially in a particular area. For easier understanding, technology is a product of knowledge built to perform certain functions for the sake of humanity. And as for its advantages and disadvantages, under the advantages are the list of things that was improved by technology that help human flourishing to happen, like innovations, while under the disadvantages are the negative effects brought by technology, like dependency, discontentment, and overuse for personal desires. Though technology serves as a big helping hand to humans, it is also important to use it in an appropriate manner. And we must also know the limitations of technology to humanity. According to Butch, even technology has many advantages, there are also limitations to where humans can apply technology. First is the law of physics. It states that technology cannot store memory more than elementary particles in the universe, meaning there are limitations to its capacity. And just like in the law of physics, there are also limitations to softwares. An example for this is when your computer cannot process a given computation. Next is the challenge of algorithms. We are familiar on algorithms because it is commonly used on social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Even the algorithms used by these systems has certain limitations. At times, it also experiences errors like compressing an image, a waveform, information loss, and other complex things that compromises the systems. For the difficulty of distribution, according to Lamport, a distributed system is one in which the failure of a computer you did not even know existed can render your computer unusable. Our computers has limitations because they have their own databases but not connected to each other, meaning collection of data is possible but difficult and time-consuming. The problems of design. According to Einstein, everything should be made as simple as possible but not simpler. Technology is a help to designers mainly on visualizing their concept but not creating the concept itself. As for the problems of functionality, there are limits to what a certain innovation can do. It is built mainly to focus on one or more but not all functions, just like phones used for communication, photography, calculations, and other functions, but cannot perform the functions of a vehicle, a rice cooker, or other innovations. For the importance of organization, as developers occurs from different countries, it is difficult to organize ideas or coordinate with a team. According to Butch, the key management challenge is always maintaining the design's unity and integrity. For the impact of economics, we know that technology needs money. An innovation in order to develop needs funds and investment, and without funds, production of technology is limited. Lastly is the influence of politics. Just as economics, politics is also severely connected with technology because they sponsor most of the progress made by technology in order to improve their own country. Now let us go back to what we discussed earlier about technology being connected to humanity. Now, humanity is from the Latin word humanitas, which means human nature, kindness. As a human, we must know how to love, care, and sympathize to others. But where will technology take humanity? As a part of this technological advancement, it hinges on the longevity of human species. And to advance far ahead in science, human beings need time. And as we know, that the history of life here on Earth is a history of extinction. According to Sagan, today is the period he called technological adolescence. Two roads to take in humanity are ascension of all humankind, and the other is complete and total destruction. So in order to know where technology will take us, we must first know how to survive. We have reached the end of the discussion. Thank you for watching!